Hey everybody, in this video we're going to thread the Singer 330HA. Here we go. Okay, somebody has jury-rigged a paper clip into being a top thread guide. So that's my thread guide, and I've got the thread coming off a thread stand tower. So I'm going to put the thread right where I think it might be coming off the guide if I had one. And I want it to go. Of course, I harvested a thread guide off the 348, and that's what I've got. I mean, there's no way that I'm going to restore a sewing machine and have some bent out shaped paper clip as the thread guide. Anyway, here we go. I'm going to thread it now that I've got a thread guide. And there we go, it's through the thread guide. Now the thread is down at the upper tension device, and I'm just sliding the thread right on the thread guide in between the discs and pulling it across to come up the bottom of the take-up spring. And now I'm going to tighten the thread and just pull that take-up spring and get the thread to seat in the take-up spring hook. Did it work? Yes, it did. We can see right there that it's in the correct place. And now we'll pull the thread up and put it through the loop. And our next thread guide is down there. Cool. Now we're getting right to the point, if you'll pardon the pun. Old Jebb thinks he's hilarious, doesn't he? What a silly boy. Anyway, so that's in the guide that we just traversed, and it's going to be down here in this loop. There, it's in there now after all that work, and we'll get it on the horizontal loop, and now I can thread the needle. For this threading the needle job, I'm going to use the wire threader, and I hope that works effectively. I think it's through. Yeah, it's right through. Wow, I'm glad I filmed that. Can you say first time? I can. Pardon me for bragging, but you know, I know it's a really, really weak, small success, but I'll take it. Cool. Let me see if I can get the thread in there now that I've made it this far. Look at that. The wire is through already there, so it's through the wire. Then we pull it back and through. So now we're ready to go down and catch the bobbin thread. Where's the white thread? So I think that's right. Right, and that's right, right. So it caught it. Do I need to have that tight? There it is there. And there, finally, I have threaded the Singer 330HA. I want to thank you for being here and for hanging out and going the distance here. Clearly, in this today, right here in the moment, it was better for me to use the little wire threader than the plastic one. Yeah, we'll put that in there like that for now. But anyway, guys, thanks for being here. Have fun. Stay safe. Come on back real soon. Adios, amigos.